The problem with the Philippines is it was a mistake from the very beginning, no? While it was given an opportunity, no, as the richest country in Asia before, no, and where $1 is equal to 1 peso, and the Philippines is the first country, no, to have Philippine Airlines in Asia, but we neglect military expansion. We neglect budget for military uh, expenditures to strengthen and protect our sovereignty. No? You cannot always uh, vouch for a diplomatic protest, especially if you are being bullied and a growing country, no, like China and other big countries with a booming economy, no, and of course with a growing population that they also need expansion, no, and in if history just repeat itself, no, as the Bible say, no, kingdom against kingdom, they will go against kingdom. Why not? If a powerful country with its strong military and its capacity to conquer smaller countries, why should not they do? Why should not they conquer? Because they have the capacity to do so, no? To meet the supply and demand, no? To expand their authority, no? So same goes with China and other countries like Russia, uh, where they are very powerful, no? And they can conquer, no, smaller countries. And that's the reason that the Philippines is being bullied, no? Because as I said, it was a mistake from the very beginning, no? It neglect uh, to spend money on protecting its sovereignty, no? By strengthening our military, no? And of course, with advancement in their weapons. Because these politicians are the root of all evil, no? They are the ones who stole all the money, misappropriated the money that is supposed uh, to protect our sovereignty, no? And considering also the Philippines is a disaster country, no? It would require a lot of budget for climate change, disaster planning, and of course, protecting your sovereignty. How can you protect your sovereignty if you do not have the military, the required military and the required weapons to protect your backyard? And we are doing diplomatic protest because we are stealing people's money that are supposed to be spent on these military expansions, or should I say military defenses that will protect our sovereignty.